Here I've got Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max, and let me show you how to change the screen timeout on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's find and select the settings. Then scroll down, locate and open display and brightness, and here you will notice auto lock. Simply open it, and here you can personalize your screen timeout, so your device can be locked after 30 seconds of inactivity, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3, 4, 5 minutes, or even never. Let me pick 4 minutes. And that's it. If you will go back, you will see that it has changed. So now you've got auto lock after 4 minutes of inactivity. And that would be all. This is how you can change screen timeout on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.